In this video we are doing a review of a desk fan, and the reason I'm doing this is because not everyone can afford aircon. I've got aircon, but I thought this might be interesting for all those people who just need a little desktop fan or bedside fan. This might be just a baby for you. It costs, at the time of making this video, about £20, so it's not too expensive, and it's supposed to be pretty quiet as well. So with that, I'll get her out. Not sure about the colour, but you might like it. That's it. Oh, a little bit different, isn't it? Right, let's see what you get for your money. Instructions. Looks like a nice length to the USB cable. So it's a USB to Type-C connection, which is good. I do like the Type-C connections. I'm wondering, just wondering, like you do, if it's got a built-in battery, because that'd be handy, isn't it, if it has. So it should, if it has, just start up. No, it hasn't. So you need a plug. Doesn't come with a plug, but I'm guessing that's about 1 metre long, that cable. So hopefully it's long enough for everyone else. It looks like it opens, doesn't it? It can't do. It looks like you can wall mount it as well, because it's got 2 connections there for screws. How easy is that to turn? Yeah, it's quite good. Right, I'm going to get a power bank and see if she'll power up. Right, one of my power banks. So it should be enough to power it up, hopefully. Put it in there. Oh, no. No, it doesn't. What am I doing wrong? Oh, there you go. It's got to turn on. Would that turn off now? Yeah, so it's not got a battery in it. I wasn't sure. I didn't actually read it properly. I just thought, oh, that looks quite nice. You can feel that. Yeah, see that? Bloody hell. That's pretty good. That's off. So I've got 3 speeds. It's quite nice. And that is pretty quiet. I'm not sure if you can hear that. Let me put it to the mic. Can you hear that? Let me turn speed up. And then back at slow speed. And I can actually feel it on my face at slow speed. Look at that. Like a hovercraft. That is quite impressive, actually, the speed of that and the performance. Quite like that. It's a good little toy. We have a floater. Right, let me know in the comments what you think. Yeah, I know it's not nothing much, but I thought I'd do this one because actually we're going to use this for my grandson in the bedroom because he's staying tonight, and I want to try and keep him cool because it is quite hot and there is no aircon in that room. So with that, what I'm going to do is obviously I'm going to try it out for a few days, see how we get on with it, and I will get back to you. Right, I know I said in a few days, but it's been about a week since I last spoke to you, because I wanted to give it a proper test to see how good it was. And yeah, we are very pleased with it. It does everything it's supposed to do, you know, keeps you cool by blowing air onto your face, and it is extremely quiet. Very pleased with all of it so far. For the amount of money you pay, just under £20, yeah, very pleased with it. So what we're going to do now, before I give you my final opinion, even though you probably already know what it is anyway, I've got my little meter running on my phone, yeah. I've turned off the aircon, and I've turned off the computer fans, but obviously I've got a water pump running in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this off, because it's actually running now. I'm going to turn it off. So that's off. Give it a couple of seconds to settle down, and I'm going to go through each speed, and oops, messed that up, innit? Each speed, and see what the decibels go up to. So with that, I'm going to be quiet. That's pretty good. Like I said, I'm well impressed. Yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments whether it gets your thumbs up or not. And you know, you think it's well worth, or I think it was £19.99. If you think it's well worth that sort of price, I think it is. I don't like the colour particularly myself, but my grandson, he likes the colour. He said, yeah, I like it. So, you know, each to their own, I guess. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to put the aircon back on now.